In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase or decrease text size on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings. Then scroll down a bit until you find display and brightness, and that's where you can easily find text size feature. You can just tap on it, and that's where you can easily find that slider at the bottom of that screen, and it allows us to increase or decrease text size by dragging it to the right to increase or to the left to decrease text size. And then if we set let's say that text size on our device, and then if we go back, we can see that all text and all system menus has increased text size. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.